Welcome back to Whitetail Garage. In this episode, we took Rita down to Corpus Christi for the Cars and Country Music Fest. So we are going to show you a little bit of that footage and then just talk about it. We took home third in the muscle car. So let's get her unloaded and then we'll talk about it. All right, so there we go. We got her unloaded. It is hot. Hot, hot, hot. Anyways, got her unloaded. So let me show you some of the footage that we captured from the car show, and then we'll talk a little bit about it there. You can see we've got some pretty cool hot rods, definitely some muscle cars, and a pretty large group of muscle cars. We were entered into the muscle car class, which going in with a 206 cylinder 66 Mustang, I didn't think I stood a chance in the muscle car class, but whatever reason it worked out. The people's choice, they were interested, I guess, liked the car.
Okay, you're gonna win right there. So this guy did a big deal for us. Come on, buddy. This is William Clark Green. Give him a big round of applause. We got a custom belt buckle for him too.
Hey, Premier Hobbs Foundation put this on, and William Clark Green. Are y'all excited to see him here in just a little bit? I'm telling you. Congratulations to each one of y'all. Here we go.
Good job.
So it's a green poker chip. I want to make sure you look at it. A green poker chip, and it has a 1 and a 5.
Ladies and gentlemen, Kinvo.
We had a ton of people interacting with the car. Had a good time. Really enjoyed the music and all the people, and took home muscle car best muscle car 3rd place. Really appreciate the time that we had there. Really enjoyed it. Was excited to win that award. So they're going to be doing these events a lot more often. I'll try and get ahead of it and see if we can meet some of you guys there. But they'll be occurring throughout all of next year. This one is Cars and Country Music Fest. There's also a couple other charitable events that the Hobbs Hot Rod Run puts on. We enjoy participating in those. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and we've got merch, whitetokerrush.com. Take a look at that. Get something if you're interested in supporting the channel. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.